G&P Mechanical, we provide professional, local, residential air conditioning repair services, new AC units installation for homeowners and business, commercial solutions, maintenance, and repairs. We offer residential and commercial air duct cleaning, and we have awesome financial options. Call today to get a free estimate and know more about our licensed technicians, certifications, Texas state permits, and insurance. We serve Stafford, Sugarland, Missouri City, Sienna Plantation, and the greater Houston area. Call today at 713-351-9720. 713-351-9720. G&P Mechanical, your trusted air conditioning partner for homeowners and businesses.